Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a recurring transaction onto your LiquidBudget application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the LiquidBudget app on your device, and after you have logged into your account, from the My Budget page, go ahead and click on Recurring at the bottom section. This will now show you all of the recurring transactions that you have. In order to add a new one, click on the plus icon at the top right corner. And now you have the option to add your recurring transaction. Choose from inflow or outflow, which means income or expense. If it is an expense, then make sure outflow is selected and then enter the monthly amount. That will be your recurring transaction. Then enter the date when the transaction will occur, and also choose the frequency, whether you will be making this transaction every day, weekly, monthly, or yearly. After choosing your frequency as well, choose the next transaction date by adjusting the start and the next transaction date. Now you can choose the type of your transaction from the details section. You can choose the account within which the transaction will take place, and underneath you also have the notes where you can add any personal note for this transaction. Once you are done, just click on the Add Recurring option, and now this will set up a recurring transaction of your chosen amount on the chosen date within the chosen frequency. So this means that this transaction will be recorded and entered automatically within your given date. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a recurring transaction on the NC Wallet application account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.